Hi sweets, it's Candy Baby here and we are back. How are you guys doing today? I know I look a little crazy. I did this brace this afternoon because I wanted my hair out of my way and I wanted to give you guys something different. Yes, I know I look like Mona the vampire. We all know I am not a hairstylist. So yeah, you can go critique me because I look like Mona the vampire. It's okay. I don't know if you guys noticed, but today my face looks a little bit different. The Born This Way matte 24-hour foundation, I just started using it and it's so lightweight. Like everything that they say is actually true, which is surprising. You guys, y'all needed to let me know. I was stuck with NYX and it was time for me to try something different. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Candy and we are here to have a fun time, so put on your seatbelt because today I have a special video. But before we get into that, YouTube is telling me that 55% of you guys are not subscribed, so make sure please to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, do everything you have to do, comment down below what you think. Oh, and by the way, I need to talk to you guys about this. You guys like this? My new little customized mirror. This is what I've been doing the whole week, you guys. It took me like 3 days to do because it was like procrastinating to do it, but my boyfriend helped me and it looks so cute, right? Today's video is a little bit different because I'm going to be combining one of my passions with another one of my passions, and you guys probably like, what are you talking about? What passions? For those of you who know me, you know that I am obsessed with games. So I was like, how am I obsessed with game? I'm obsessed with makeup and I haven't even combined them together. I was like, I'm gonna use one of my games that I like to play. And the game that I'm gonna use today, as you guys saw in the title, is going to be BRAWLHALLA. Not a lot of people know about it, so I wanted to like really introduce you guys to it because I like it. And it's basically like Super Smash Bros. It's like a mobile version of Super Smash Bros. Since you have to choose one character to fight with, what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomize the character, and if I win the round, I have to use that character's color to do my makeup, as in like my eyes. Now, if I lose, I have to use not only my player's color, but now I have to use also the player that won color and combine them both together to do a makeup look. Yeah, let's get into it.
She's just like candy, and she's so sweet. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth crack.
Basically, the game I think lasts 3 minutes each round. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be playing on my iPad so that you guys can see me play and also see the screen that's gonna come up right here so you guys see what I'm going to be doing. So right now I'm just like logging in. It's an online play, so you're playing with other people from like everywhere, you know. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna click free for all, and these are the characters that you have so far. Well, they changed, I think. They changed like every week, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna click the dice right here and I'm just gonna click random. Ready for battle. And we're gonna see what I get. So I got the little... Oh, he fucking me up already. I got the little astronaut, and this is just the beginning of the game, so we're not really playing. Now the game starts. So I'm the light green, red, and orange color. So if I win, I have to use those colors to do my makeup. And the game has started. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. You see, it's like Super Smash Bros. You have to like get them out of the, for you to win, you have to like get them really out of the stage, which I like whack. I can't do that for shit. But they're good. These people look like they play this like every day. And yes, the... Oh my god, am I doing the same? Oh! Die. Okay, so bam. So I'm like trying really hard right now. Oh, I need to kick someone out. Come on. Oh no. I'm like getting him though. Ah! He killed me. Okay, so one down. I'm losing right now, obviously. Oh my god, why can't it take none of them out? Like this is hard. This is fucking hard. I'm just like slamming all of them. Bam! I got somebody out. Okay, so I'm not losing anymore, apparently. I mean, I think I am still. Oh my god, you guys, I'm getting beat up. Oh no. So you could throw stuff too. So I'm gonna go here. Oh no, grab this. There you go. And then I'm just gonna go down. Oh no. I need to win. Bam. Okay, so I got another person out. So you guys saw right there. This is harder than you think. Ooh, I got somebody out. Okay, so did I win? Yeah! Yes, I fucking won. So I ended up winning, and actually, I am flabbergasted. I'm like gagging right now because I wasn't expecting to win. So, which made the video a little bit more easy. I got the little alien. So his colors were like a red, burgundy, orange, yellow, and then like a green, bluish cyan color. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going to put my hair back and out of my face so you guys can see this beautiful face and everything that we're about to do. For this look, I'm going to be mixing two eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to be using the P. Louise Worldy palette, and I'm also going to be using the James Charles palette so that I can like mix the colors, because you know the colors are not all in one palette. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in a Rumor 2. Pat 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 pat, so that I can build my coverage. I have a smooth surface right here, and that means that we're ready. So first thing first, I'm going to grab an M506, and I'm going to grab the color Rodeo Drive from the P. Louise Worldy palette. Wow. Now with the M433, I'm going to use the color Worldy to blend Rodeo. You guys know I do not worry about the color payoff in the beginning because we are still going back with that same eyeshadow, and we're going to pack it back on so that it's like hitting. And I'm holding my brush very far, and I'm also using circular and wiping shield motions. I'm going to switch over to my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use a Morphe 506 brush, and I'm going to dip into the color You're Kidding, which is the red one. And oh my god, I want to apply this on the most outer corner and almost create like a wing with the color, but I'm not bringing it out too far because I'm still going to use other colors to blend it out. 4-3-3-3. I said 4-3-3-3-3-3-3-3-3. I'm gonna grab a M433 brush, a clean brush, and I'm going to use the color that is right on top. I'm going to use that to blend out that red. Now I'm going to start dragging it outwards a little bit more. Remember you guys, the higher to your brow bone you go, the bigger the blending brush it is, so that you have a smooth blend of colors. And I'm dragging that, really dragging it out. Ooh, this is nice. A little bit more powerful. I'm going to go back with my 433 brush and start blending. Bring it out and don't be scared. I'm gonna be using the M441 and I'm going to mix these two colors. Mix it with the orange and I'm just gonna apply it right here. This looks so good. And now go back with all of your colors and intensify them. So far so good. I'm loving it. I am feeling it, but there is only one thing that I kind of noticed that is kind of like a little bit off, and it's a little bit of the color in the inside. He's more like on a greenish alien-y look. I'm going to use another M506 and I'm gonna use the color Big Apple from the P. Louise Worldy palette to bring it back to that green right here. I don't want it to be too green. So now I'm going to just balance it out between the two colors. Now let's go ahead with a little bit of Vaseline to carve the crease. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Alright sweet, so now we have sharp cut crease, and if you probably wondering why I use Vaseline, is because today I'm going to be using the Mimi Mitchell and P. Louise collaboration Acid Rain, this little detail brush. And just blend it out. Before this dries, I want to give it that little metal thing that he has around his arms. I'm going to use my Danessa Myricks highlighting palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here and another pencil brush. Basically, I want to apply it all over here. Okie dokie sweet, so this is looking so good. So I went ahead and married these two beautiful colors together, the red with the shimmer that I used, and it's looking bomb. I'm now going to go ahead and do my liner, put a little bit of mascara, finish this eye off camera, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. Okay, sweets, this is the look all complete, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I am so surprised with how this look came out, because I am like, first of all, I didn't know that I was gonna end up winning the game, like I said, because I am so bad at it. Like I said, the game is new. It's an experience. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. By the way, this is not paid. I'm just a gamer, and I'm gonna put you the fuck on. With all of that being said, I hope you guys liked today's video. Comment down below what's your favorite game and what do you think about this challenge all complete. And I know my hair is a little crazy, but at least I'm not looking like Mona the vampire. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. You don't want to miss out, okay? Follow me on all of my social medias once again at Candy Westwood, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Candy Westwood, okay? I'll see you guys next time. It's Candy, baby.